Welcome back to another 60-second answers. The question is it harder to laminate glossy paper than it is to laminate matte paper? The answer is yes, but it's not impossible. If you watched my print quality tutorial, then you've seen me do this on matte, but I'll do it again. You can see here the laminate just kind of glides down the sheet as I smooth it with the squeegee. Let's take a second to watch me slice off the top of the laminate backing again, because for me, this was a life-changing tip. When you trim down the laminate to fit within the registration marks, not only do you make it easier on the machine to find the lines, you make it easier on yourself to laminate the page. On glossy paper, you have to go a bit slower. Every ½ inch or so you must stop and peel the backing sheet away and smooth out the next section until you work your way down the full page. When you're finished, it's optional to run them through a cold laminator. And that's it, both matte and glossy sticker paper laminated and bubble free. Drop any questions in the comments.